Most people waste months trying to pick the perfect platform. I didn't, I chose one and it helped me build a successful empire for myself. And today I'm gonna walk you through 4 of the best options to sell digital products. I've used one of these platforms to build multiple 6-figure stores and it completely changed my life. So if you got digital product ideas but don't know where to start or how to make money from them, this video is for you. Let's get into it. I've built multiple 6-figure stores on Etsy selling print on demand and digital products. More importantly, I've coached thousands of students who are now generating their own income streams using my methods. And while Etsy has been incredibly lucrative for me and others, I know many of you want to explore other options. So today I'm going to be sharing 4 different platforms with their pros and cons so you can decide where you want to start selling your digital products. Whether you are brand new to this or you're ready to expand beyond just one platform, this is your roadmap to getting started. So get ready to go from 0 to 6 figures selling digital products. Let's get started. Okay, so real talk, I'm totally biased towards Etsy because this is a platform that literally changed my life. It's where I built my first 6-figure store, and honestly, watching my bank account grow month after month was incredible. So what makes Etsy so special? Well, first, millions of people actually shop there every single day. And they're not just casually browsing, they're pulling out their credit card and buying. So you don't have to convince anyone to shop. The customers are already there, ready to buy exactly what you're selling. Plus, getting started is pretty easy. You can have your first product live literally in under an hour. And Etsy algorithm actually rewards new sellers who are showing up consistently. So if you stick with it and keep uploading, the platform will actually reward you. And here's another win. Etsy handles all the payment processing for you. So you also don't need to have a website or build a landing page. They take care of all the techie stuff for you. So you can focus on what actually matters, which is uploading listings. But now let me be honest, it's not all sunshine and rainbow. Etsy owns a playground, which means they make the rules. And when they change things, you do have to adapt. Also, it is competitive, especially for new sellers. You need to learn how to create listings that stand out and stop people from scrolling. That's a skill that you actually can master. Sure, printables and digital planners are everywhere these days, and these 6.5% fees, yeah, it feels steep, but here's why I always tell my community to start on Etsy. Like Yvonne, who actually made $6,000 with 90% profit margins this year alone, selling digital products without advertising or without social media. And her secret? She understood demand. She learned how to create scroll-stopping listings. She focused actually on just mastering Etsy alone and showed up consistently. She didn't give up. And that makes all the difference. So if you're new and you don't have much experience with social media or digital marketing, Etsy is actually your best bet because it lets you focus on what really matters, which is creating products customers want to buy. And by the way, Etsy can be your launchpad to bigger things, like this store right here, which uses Etsy as a lead generation machine. So people often love to criticize Etsy because they don't know how to use it to grow their business. And think about it, if someone handed you the keys to a store in a busy mall, wouldn't that be easier than opening one in an empty part of town? Of course, and that's Etsy for you. The foot traffic is already there and all you have to do is make products people want. So you don't have to waste time marketing or advertising. So this is where things get interesting if you're looking for another option and you're ready to build your brand and keep perhaps more of your profits. Gumroad is like that friend who's got your back when you're starting out because they actually offer a special promotion where they don't charge any marketplace fee on you first $10,000 in sales. This means that you can keep more of your earnings as you grow your business. Can you imagine? So that's money that stays in your bank account instead of going to platform fees. And get this, they have these amazing affiliate tools that basically let you turn other people into your sales team. So while you're sleeping, other creators are out there promoting your products and earning commissions. This platform can be great when you're ready to sell those higher value products, perhaps like Notion templates, or template bundles or courses, and you can sell products for $25, $50, or even $200 or more. Now, here's a quick reality check, right? Unlike Etsy, where customers are already hanging out there and shopping, Gumroad does not have that built-in traffic. You have to bring your own sales through social media, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, or Threads, wherever you feel most comfortable posting or wherever your audience is actually hanging out. So once you hit also that $10,000 mark, they do start taking 3.5% in payment processing fees. And because it's a smaller marketplace, you're going to get those random discovery sales like you might on Etsy. But listen, Gumroad is absolutely perfect for people who might want to sell higher ticket value products like courses and bundles. And the software itself is actually pretty beginner friendly to use. You don't need to create complicated landing pages. So if you have something valuable to teach or share, this might be where you want to get started. Okay, so this one is for the more ambitious types out there who are thinking way beyond just selling a few digital products, and you want to build an actual business empire and have a mailing list. System.io is like having a whole business team in one platform. We're talking sales funnels, email marketing, course hosting, membership sites, literally everything you need to run a sophisticated online business. So if you want to sell courses or run a membership site or create a subscription-based product, this platform can actually handle it all. We're talking about upsells, downsells, abandoned cart sequences, the whole game. But this isn't for the faint of heart. Now, the learning curve is real, and I mean real. You're not just learning how to list a product, you're learning how to build funnels, how to set up email automation sequences, and create entire customer journeys. It's like learning to drive a race car when you've only used a riding bicycle in the past. So you do need to have some extensive digital marketing knowledge. And the monthly cost, well, they start adding up too, right? Especially when you need more advanced features as you grow. So if you're just trying to sell your first digital product and make your first $100 online, this is definitely overkill. This one's a game changer for all social media creators out there. So if you have followers on Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media platform, listen up, because this could be exactly what you've been looking for. Stan Store was literally built for people like us who are creating content and building audiences on social media. So instead of having a long, complicated link in your bio that sends people all over the place, you get one simple link that becomes your entire storefront. So your followers can buy your products without ever leaving the social media apps that they're already on. And the setup is actually extremely fast. We're talking about 15 minutes from start to finish, and your store is live and ready to make money. So everything is actually automatically optimized for mobile as well, because let's be honest, that's where majority of your social media traffic is coming from anyways. And the beauty of it is that you can sell whatever your heart desire, digital products, physical products, basically everything your audience might want to buy from you. Now for the cons, your branding options are somewhat limited compared to having your own website or using other platforms. And the analytics as well, they're not super detailed, right, as some other platforms. So you won't have super deep insights into your customers' behavior. And the worst part, according to me, is that you're still at the mercy of social media algorithm to get people to actually click on your link and see your Stan Store. And that monthly subscription, it starts around $29, which might feel like a lot when you're just simply testing out the waters. All right, so let me bring this all together for you because I don't want you walking away confused about what to do next. So if you're brand new to selling digital products and you've never made $1 online, start with Etsy. Don't overthink it. Don't second guess yourself. Just get in there and start learning. The customers are already there with their credit cards out, ready to buy what you're selling. Once you're making consistent sales and you want to keep more of that hard-earned money in your pocket, then you can test out Gumroad or Stan Store if you are building a social media following. So when you're ready to scale beyond selling simple products and building an actual brand, you'll need system and automations and all that fancy stuff. And that's when you start exploring System.io. But here's the most important thing I need you to hear. I've seen way too many people spend months researching platforms instead of actually creating and selling products. So pick that one platform, commit to it for at least 120 days, and focus on creating amazing products that solve real problems for real people. So the magic is not in the platform, it's in your consistency, your creativity, and your willingness to show up every single day, even when it gets tough. So pick your platform, create your very first product, and let's get you to the path to your first six-figure year. And if you're ready to further explore how to start making money on Etsy, make sure to check out my free workshop link in the description. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.